I don't know why I'm doing this video. I don't know who is going to watch this video. I don't know why I am shooting this video. I have no script. I have nothing. I haven't prepared myself. I just started my camera, took my mic, and started speaking because I want to. Because I really want to. Because I want to vent out everything which is going inside my heart. Because I am an extrovert, but that doesn't mean I can express myself easily, okay? I feel my problems and my thoughts are something which I have to carry and I don't want to share with anyone. But some point of your life you want to share, you need to share, suddenly everything starts to feel heavy. No matter how much you try to be happy. And that is how I am right now. I want to vent everything out which is going through in my mind. Random thoughts, intrusive thoughts. I am happy, but somewhere empty. I don't know why I'm feeling like this. I don't know what is happening. I don't know how or why suddenly this is happening to me. Nothing bad happened to me, nothing wrong happened with me, nobody betrayed me, I didn't have fight with anyone, but still I feel empty and heavy. I don't know why. So I'm doing this because when you try to talk with someone whom you know or someone who's close to you, now you have that fear that what if they judge you. But when you talk with stranger or share it with a stranger like I'm doing with you all guys, I don't know how many of you are watching this, how many of you are going to watch this fully, but when I'm talking this, I know that even if you judge me, I don't care, because I don't know you, you don't know me. So I actually don't care whether you judge me or not. I will feel free to share this. That's it. So I'm doing this because I know if I share it with someone whom I know, I will have that fear that they will judge me, they will misunderstand me, or they will give me those tons and tons of advice that, you know what, it was your fault, blah, blah, blah. I don't want to hear that. I just want to vent it out. That's it. And I'm doing it here. You know what's my problem is I want to talk. I want to share everything, but I also want to keep things private. I don't know what is this problem. What is this disease called? I am an extrovert. As I said, I want to share. I want to talk, but I don't want to talk to people. Being an extrovert, I love talking to people, but I still don't want to share things with people. I want to share my thoughts, but I don't want to share it with anyone. I don't know whom I want to share to. I don't know what this disease or problem is called. I actually don't know. Like, I want to share my thoughts, but I don't want to share my feelings. Like, I want to keep everything private. I want to keep my goals private. I want to keep my thoughts private. But I want to share because I feel heavy. I don't know what this disease is called. I'm so confused. This is such a mess in my mind. I am vexed right now on myself that why am I feeling like this? Why am I feeling this? What is this feeling? Why am I feeling like this? Why am I feeling so useless? Why am I feeling so desperate to share something and also have that anger that I don't want to share anything with anyone? I am just messed up right now, okay? And I don't know what is happening. I just don't know. You know, sometimes in your life you have that feeling that you want to cry so badly, but there is no tears in your eyes. I'm exactly feeling this right now. I'm exactly feeling that I want to cry so badly. I want to vent everything out, but my eyes are dry. My mind is blank. And I don't know. I'm just angry. I'm just frustrated. That's it. And there is no reason behind it. I'm not lying. There is no reason behind it. That nothing happened with me. I was happy today. I was happy yesterday. I was happy all day. But still, I have that constant vexation and that frustration in my mind that I can't explain. Even I don't know. I don't know why I'm feeling like this. I don't know what I'm feeling. I am just too confused right now. I don't know what I'm talking. I don't know whom I'm talking to. I feel like a fool right now. I feel this is so, like, this is not at all imperative. This is something not necessary. I don't know whether this is prevalent or not, but I don't know. You know what? We humans are actually fools. We think that we have six senses, so we are the greatest in the world. But no, bro. The animals who don't even have six senses are actually happy. They are living the life they got. We are just running. We are nothing but soul trapped in a body, the body which will get buried or burned to ashes. That's it. We are fighting amongst each other for lands and for cash, for properties, or for a girl or a guy. We are fighting amongst each other, but by the end, you are going to die alone. You are not taking those properties or those money together to your grave, or you are not going to burn with it. You are not going to die with the partner whom you love. No, you are not going to die with the family or your friend. You came alone. You are going to die alone, bro. That's it. That is what life is. Now, what you do in that life is what matters, right? We are just constantly chasing attention, chasing people. We are not at all prioritizing ourselves. We don't even love ourselves, bro. Self-love is very important. If you can't even love yourself, how are you going to love anyone else? Like, imagine we came to that stage of life where we have to talk to AIs. Like, people talk to AI, share their feelings with AI just because they don't want to talk to people. Imagine how badly we are in a situation where you can't even talk to your own species. You hate talking to people, but you can talk with a non-living thing which is made by humans. You can't talk to humans, but you can talk to something which is made by human. Like, think how badly we are in life, how bad situation is ours, how how messed up our mind is, that we have to talk to a human made machine. Like, imagine that thing doesn't even have emotion or something, but still we share our deepest secrets, our emotions to it, instead of our own people or of our own circle, our own friends, our own family. Because we have so high level of fear, we have so much fear inside us that they will judge us, they will misunderstand us. We have so much fear in us, and that fear is the biggest enemy of us. That fear will kill us from inside. I don't know how many of you are still watching this video. If you are watching, I just have a single request. I don't know what more to talk about. I don't know what more to do. I don't know what more videos I can bring. I don't know whether this is my last video or not. I don't know. I actually don't know. I just want you people to either ask me questions or share something about which I can talk about which I want to talk, about which I will talk in the next video if I can. I want you people to ask me questions, anything you want. I want you people to share something or anything which you never got to share or you want to share. Do it, please. Talk as much as you can, like I am doing. I don't know how many of you are listening to this. I don't know how many of you are going to judge me for this. I actually don't care. I wanted to talk. I wanted to share my thoughts. I wanted to vent it out, and I did. And I actually feel good about it. Now I think I can have a nap which will be peaceful, because I won't be having intrusive thoughts running in my mind because I went it out here. So I just want you to write it down. Anything traumatic or happy, or you are angry, anything you want, just comment it down. Ask me anything you want, ask me any question you want. I will answer to it. Whether it is right or wrong, I will answer to it. And I don't know what more to talk. So that is it for today's video. I'll be back if I can with more thoughts and more opinions and your thoughts and your opinions in more videos. क्योंकि picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.